Okay, today we have a great recommendation for your affiliate portfolio. 1Password.com can be a lucrative addition to your arsenal. Check this out. This affiliate program sells password management services. Most people have too many online accounts and passwords to remember. They fiddle around trying to remember which passwords go with which account. They write them down on pieces of paper that they lose. This affiliate program is selling like vast amounts because this is a service that appeals to the masses. The keyword Password Manager is searched over 673,000 times per month. This provides an excellent opportunity to line your wallet with commissions. The average sell is over $60 and affiliates get 25% of each sell. Affiliates are cleaning up with this affiliate program with high conversion rates. This is a good affiliate program for an affiliate that is in the beginner phase, intermediate phase and the professional phase. Download this free guide below and learn how you can drive traffic to your affiliate links and get your share of these sales.